Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. All right, let's begin. Firstly, open the Amazon app and navigate to the Profile tab at the bottom. From there, go to Your Lists and tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Create a new list by naming it and clicking Create. By default, your wish list will be private. To make it public for sharing without revealing your personal address, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your list page and select Manage List. Change its privacy setting from private to public. In the shipping address section within these settings, ensure that you have selected an address from your options. But keep in mind that if you allow sellers to see this information when someone buys something from your list, they might disclose it. To add items to your wish list, browse through products on Amazon and tap on them until you see an option saying Add to List. Then select which list you want them added into. Finally, if you want others just to view or purchase items from your wish list without editing capabilities themselves, tap on Invite at top left of screen. Choose between sending links allowing only viewing or both viewing and editing rights depending upon preference. Once selected, you will be able to either share the link or copy it and invite people manually. So that's basically how you can create an Amazon wish list and share it. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.